Commitment to Love, 2-day workshops in Aspen, Colorado, combining outdoor activities, personal growth, and heart-centered communication skills, all inspired by nature. 1 day of easy hiking through shimmering aspen trees, 1 day of cycling along the Rio Grande bike path. Miscommunication can cause mental emotional stress that can impair cognitive performance, weaken your immune system, and make your body more susceptible to illness and disease. Learn valuable life skills that are never taught in school or traditional therapy. Avoid the 9 traps of unconscious loving that undermine your loving and good intentions. Outdoor classrooms in nature inspire personal reflection, open your heart, and connect you with your authentic self. Contact Dianne at porchiaswish.com for holistic health and wellness workshops and retreats. 310-455-2851.